Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all of your wonderful support, and if you're new here, welcome, and I do hope that you do consider subscribing. So I've already buffed and applied the base coat, the Model 1's base coat that I always use, and I'm going to be applying this beautiful brown. It comes out looking like a burgundy color with the first coat, but then after the second coat, which I do on all of the nails, it becomes this gorgeous brown, one of the prettiest browns I've ever seen. It's so pretty. After applying the base coat and curing it, I'm going to use the sticky layer from it to apply these beautiful chameleon chrome flakes. And it changes from the golds to the coppers, the greens, and it's absolutely beautiful, perfect color for the fall season. As you'll probably notice, I was having a little trouble doing my lines this time. I usually don't have a problem, but once in a while, if I've had too much coffee, my hands are shaking. So I just simply turn the nail and do it in an angle that I feel more comfortable with, and that's okay. Sometimes that just happens. This is what I've done so far, and now I am ready to do some detail work on the other parts of the nail. Now doing this part, I decided to do it the way I did with the thumbnail and just do the leaf shape with the base coat so I'd have that sticky layer. I could have outlined it first with black, but I decided to go this route. So if you try this, or if you know that it would have been better for me to outline first and then do this rather than outlining after, let me know. I love working with these chrome flakes, but they are so lightweight that any breath that you exhale, and they are all over the place. As you can see, I made a huge mess. Um, you can't help it, but I do clean that up after a bit. I just want to make sure I'm done with them first. This part was a little tedious, I have to admit. Um, so I'm just outlining what looks to me like the leaf shape that I made. It was hard to be precise with these chrome flakes, but I'm just doing the best I can to top coat the areas that I really want to be able to have that leaf shape. And then once I wipe over it, it gets rid of any excess chrome flakes, and it actually turned out okay. My apologies, guys. I think my battery died on my camera when I was doing the gem work, and I didn't even realize it until I was editing this video and could not find the clip anywhere. So I am so sorry for that, but we all kind of know how to put gems on. So I love how these turned out. Like I said, parts of this was a little bit tedious. I think I love the chrome flakes. I will use them for other designs, maybe not some such detailed work, but if you have like a foil, a transfer foil that is chameleon, I know there's some out there, I've seen them. I would recommend using that, but overall, I love them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.